Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. So, today I've got some airdrops for you. The first one is a listed airdrop on P2P and B2B exchange. We can get 20 KCT tokens over here, and it's worth around $15 to $20, and you can use your referral link to earn more. So let's move on the main screen. You can see that it's listed on P2P B2B exchange and it's worth around 0.1433 Ethereum. So let me take you towards its bot. So first of all, what you have to do is join King Casino bot. When you click start, what you have to do is simply join their group, join their channel, and register on King Casino website. How you have to register it: when you click this King Casino website highlighted fonts, you will be directed towards King Casino. The website will open like this. Allow all cookies. What you have to do is simply click sign up over here. You just have to give them your email address, select your passwords, and complete your email verification. Then come back to the bot and click submit details. What you have to do is first give them your MyEther wallet address, give them your Telegram username, and they will give you a form. Okay, so you have to fill the form. You have to provide them your King Casino website link, website details like name, email address, and all that. Once you are done, you can see your balance. You will get 700 points. Okay, once you get 700 points, they will send you they give withdrawal every week after the weekend, and whatever your points are, they are converted to King Casino coins, and you will receive your coins directly to your MyEther wallet. Let's move on towards the second airdrop. These are two airdrops of EXT stock exchange, and you would be rewarded. They simply takes around 5 to 6 days, and you will get it directly in your EXT stock account. Moving towards the airdrop, kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new, and give it a big thumbs up so that I get motivated, and daily I'm giving you good airdrops, so kindly do not miss it. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. Okay, let's move on towards the EXE stock airdrop. First one is you are getting XT coins. They are giving away 500,000 XT tokens to EXT stock exchange account holders. You will get the link in the description. First of all, go and register yourself on EXE stock, and simply you will get the airdrop link in the description as well. No KYC is required. So simply what you do is register on EXE stock, and on the second link you will find the airdrop link. What you have to do is, on the form, first of all, go to their Twitter, follow them over there, retweet this XE stock campaign. Find out the tweet of XE stock campaign on EXT stock Twitter account. Like and retweet it, and simply comment these hashtags. Don't forget to copy these hashtags. You will have to paste it there. And on the fourth, you simply give your Twitter account, Twitter handle, or Twitter profile link and simply click a claim price button. It would be here, as I have already applied this application, so it's not showing here, so you will find it out over here. Claim price, and you will receive 50 XT tokens here in your EXT stock account. Let's move on towards the fourth airdrop. Let's move on towards the third airdrop, which is it's AVN Rich Bot. They are giving away $75 worth of AVN coins. So it is also listed on CoinCodex exchange. What you have to do is simply pass out the captcha. Okay, now be careful. When you click this link, you would be directed to a web page where there would be a captcha. Once you sort out the captcha, close that and come here and click check. Then scroll it down. What you have to do is join their Telegram group, follow them on Twitter and retweet their pinned post, follow them on Facebook. Sign up to the website means when you come down, what you have to do is, after doing all the tasks, submit your details, and last one, what you have to do is visit their website, scroll down and come at the end of the page. You will see a subscribe button of a newsletter. Simply what you do is give them an email address and click subscribe. Once you've done it, then give them your email address you subscribed from. Submit your MyEther wallet address and you are done. So this is it, guys. And I have one more airdrop of EXE Stock Exchange for you, as I told you. So let's move on towards that. EXE Stock Exchange Veros airdrop campaign. They are giving away 10,000 VRS tokens at the listing of VRS on EXE stock. So simply no KYC is required. What you need is just EXE stock, and see, they've mentioned over here within 5 days after the end of the competition. The competition will end on 14th, so hurry up, join fast. Again, what you have to do is follow their Twitter account and retweet this Veros coin campaign tweet. In the comment section, copy and paste these hashtags. Over here you will see they need your Twitter account details, so give them your Twitter profile link or Twitter handle and simply claim price button, which would be here, as I have already applied for it, so it's not here. Simply do these. Thank you so much. Bye bye. If you are new over here, so kindly subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching the complete video.